चलो जूस का MP is of fruit. ये दिखाओ यार, ये दिखाओ Sir, I have found it is rubbish. No, they are. They make it. यार तुम इसके अंदर घुसो। देखते हंसी का खाली नहीं है खाओ
ठीक है. What they are supposed to do it now, they have to take out all the biotic material and they will shake it up. That after digging it up for 3 to 4 days, so will it turn into fertilizer or not? ठीक है. In the same way, again we can also basically use this kind of material to convert into fertilizer. That will automatically save our environment to be polluted, right? And from the other material which is abiotic, you can recycle. Okay? So just take out some of the material which you want to dig it up. Guys, Bilal. Yes, sir. Ji. Just can two of you go and call Nazir and Arshad regarding your
लंच बॉक्स मिला था इसमें ये डाले नहीं बड़े हैं डालने तो नहीं है इधर नहीं डालने थोड़ा इधर देखो कितना वो बड़े बीन्स
ओके यू डेकोरेट
दूध के डब्बे निकालना या फिर ये रबर यहाँ पे डालना
यू विल जस्ट प्लेस इट ऑन द साइड If you want to recycle for the decoration purpose, maybe or for some other things, place it on the side. Okay.
Teacher, it can
place it on that side. Place the abiotic on that side, on only the leaves and the papers which you think can be turned into the fertilizer. Place it here. These wrappers cannot turned into the fertilizer. Shabash, shabash, all of you should do it. Take out the leaves as well. Leaves. Take out the leaves. Leaves. Great. Good. Yeah, to other members. Okay, now just take a side. Please, all of you come on this side. Okay, can anybody of you give any idea that how can you recycle this garbage, this rubbish? Okay, just pick any one. What we can make with that. Okay. You will take this bottle, you will wrap it. For what purpose you can use it? You can recycle it. For pot, or maybe you can use it as a pen holder. You can use it for further plantation as well. Is it? Anybody else who can give any other idea to her? Yes? Ji Rija?
Then we can make this jewelry box.
You will make a jewelry box from this. Okay, that's good. Ji, anybody else who can pick anything from here and you have a creative idea to recycle it for any purpose? Shabash, and tomorrow you should come up with the change thing as well. Please pick anything. Shabash. Okay, what you can make with it? And you have to explain it, what you will make with it.
Pencil box. I will cover it with wrapper.
You can.
And I will make a pencil box and pen. And make the card paper and other paper on it. Then I will press a pen
Holder.
Yes.
For principal's office maybe?
Yes, principal's ma'am.
Sure.
For you also.
Okay. And what will you do with it?
I will make.
Sorry?
I will make doorbells.
Doorbells with it.
Doorbells.
Doorbells.
Ma'am, I will put
Okay.
the flowers.
You will keep
Flowers in it.
flowers. So see, nothing is a rubbish. Right? कूड़ा भी फालतू नहीं है. But the other students, they have thrown it as a कूड़ा. है ना? If you will, you can recycle it and you can create different very good things with it. The same way, the others can also do it. ठीक है? If you will purchase any pen holder from market, how much it will cost you?
Yeah. 300, 400. You want 100?
Exactly.
120
Right?
rupees.
100, more than 100 maybe. But you can easily make pen holders, jewelry boxes with it. ठीक है? Your flower pots as well. Lots of decoration pieces. Very good. So this is the way you can recycle the things. Fine. So you should also educate others as well. Right? That in this way we can recycle our material और पूरा फालतू नहीं होता. ठीक है? And we can save our environment for being polluted as well. Right? And what you can do with it? Is it purposeful? These leaves and this white paper.
Yes,
We can make paper flowers and.
From the leaves we can make a flower.
Did you ever read from somewhere that if the leaves are being dug somewhere in the plant, besides the plant, it is a very good fertilizer. This is like that. Yes. So what, Farah, what you people will do with this material now? It is biotic.
We will dug it.
Come forward, just tell.
And we will dug it. And
Okay.
put all the material in the ground. And after 2 to 3 days we will again dug and we will see that this material have turned into fertilizer or not.
Okay, right. So in that way we can reproduce this material in the form of fertilizer. Okay, that's good. Right. So should we dig it up?
Yes.
Should we?
Yes.
Gee, we sent the last
Ma'am,
gardeners.
they are
Gee, they are there. Thank you. We mix with the soil only the paper.
That is not ये निकालो ये निकालो
And then you should observe
कार्ड पेपर निकालो
whether it will turn into fertilizer or not.
नहीं take out the card paper
Just let it be.
not wrapper these wrappers are
3 days to you can dig it
don't
up
pick
again.
these wrappers are not
Now, after putting all these things, put soil on it again. Okay. You should notice what you have digged up here. Okay? Right? So after 3 days, means on Thursday, right in the morning, or maybe at the end of Wednesday. ठीक है?
After ये कर दें
Up again.
Now you call upon Prepon T to display some information.
Dear students, respected teachers and management, as you remember on Friday 1st October 2010, we shared our plan with you to bring change in our school's community environment. Our idea's main theme was "Koda bhi faltu nahi." We are so happy to share with you that our plan is getting success and we now find so less litter on ground. We are thankful to you for your cooperation and also thankful to each class teacher that they gave us the name of 3 volunteers from their class, which helped us in our project. First we dig up a hole and buried biotic material in it. The volunteers helped us in it. Those students were Injala, Nehaina, Nehaya, Zainab Zubair, Shumaila, Bilal Sadiq, Anosh, Aurangzeb, Ali Ikrash, Atika, Kurotolan, Anika, Hira, Fakha and Ikra Zahid. I would like all these students to come up on the stage. Please give them a big hand. They helped us to change biotic material into fertilizer by burying it on Tuesday and we checked it after few days. And it became the fertilizer. And we recycled abiotic materials by making different useful things for offices and homes like,
Hello, I am Vijay Lahi. I have made this basket with the help of plastic bottle.
Come forward. Take a step back. Come and show us that which material, which rubbish you use to recycle it and what you have made basically.
Hello, I am Vijay Lahi. I have made this basket with the help of plastic bottle. And I have made this decoration piece with the help of chart papers and leaves. Hello, I'm Farajit and I have made this money box by using Kokomo boxes and by making by wrapping it with the inner side of chips wrapper. Hello, my name is Manur Baloch and I have made a train with the help of the Kokomo boxes. I painted these boxes and I have made first the face of the train. Thank you. I have also made the decoration pieces with the help of the bottle, and I have just painted these bottles. Thank you.
And some students also gave us the things which they recycled, like Anosh from Junior 6 made this from broken cup.
I have made this pencil holder with a broken cup and wasted newspapers.
Now we request you to don't put everything in the dustbin, just recycle it which you can. For as we gave you the example. Now our next step will be to clean environment of Capco Colony. We hope for active participation from your side. Thank you very much.